Hello children, welcome to Learner's Planet. Children, in this session we are going to discuss about negatives and questions on the basis of had. In the previous session we had discussed the same but it was based on has and have. Okay? But this time we're going to do it on had. So let us begin. Now children, we will see how the first person, second person, third person singular and third person plural with had, which forms positive, can be changed into negative and question form. So this is the first one. You had. This means that the particular thing that we are talking about belonged to you in the past or earlier, but now it doesn't. The negative form of this would be you didn't have, which means this particular thing that we are talking about never belonged to you, not even in the past. And the question form would be, did you have? So someone is asking you whether this thing that we are talking about ever belonged to you in the past. Same is with the next one. I had. The negative form would be I didn't have, and the question form would be did I have? The other one is they had. The negative form would be they didn't have, and the question would be did they have? The next one is we had. The negative would be we didn't have, and the question would be did we have? The next one is she had. The negative would be she didn't have, and the question would be did she have? Positive of the next one would be he had. The negative form would be he didn't have, and the question would be did he have? The last one over here is it had. This is positive. The negative form would be it didn't have, and the question would be did it have? Children, now we will take examples in which we will see how any sentence containing had will be converted into its question form and a negative sentence. So this is the first one. Mickey had a very big house. Over here, had shows that we are talking about something in the past. Over here it says that this very big house that we are talking about belonged to Mickey, but it does not belong to him right now. The question form would be, did Mickey have a very big house? So over here someone is asking whether Mickey had a very big house in the past or not. And the negative form would be, Mickey didn't have a very big house. This means that someone is saying that Mickey did not have a very big house in the past. So the next example here is Richa had a very cute doll. In this sentence, we come to know that the very cute doll that we are talking about belonged to Richa. Belonged says that it was about the past, but now it doesn't belong to Richa. The question form would be, did Richa have a very cute doll? So someone is asking whether Richa had a very cute doll in the past or not. And the negative form would be, Richa didn't have a very cute doll. Didn't can also be spoken as did not. So over here, this is the answer to a question whether Richa had a doll in the past or not. So this is the negative answer because someone is saying that Richa never had a very cute doll, not even in the past. Here is the next example, children. They had a very scary dog. This says that in the past, a very scary dog belonged to them. But now they do not have a very scary dog. The question form would be, did they have a very scary dog? So here someone is asking whether they had a very scary dog in the past or not. And the negative sentence would be, they didn't have a very scary dog. So someone is saying that a scary dog never belonged to them, not even in the past. Okay, children? Thank you for watching this session, children. I hope you understood how a sentence containing had can be changed into a sentence which has a negative meaning and into a question. In the next session, we'll discuss something different. Okay? Bye!